and welcome. So today, I was getting ready for work, and my box came. So this is Lunarly, and I absolutely love this. So every other month, like I did on the last month, you get a candle, which I have right up here, and it was for the Hunter's Moon. And it's really nice, and if you don't get the candle, you get a plant. So this month, it's a plant. So let's open this box and see our plant. So Lunary is a $40 a month box, and it ships the latter part of the month, so you get it usually closer to the new moon. I do love this box. I would purchase this for myself, so let's open it. Plants are usually in here very nicely. I'm super excited. Uh-oh. A little bit of dirt come out of this one. That's okay. That's okay. So the plant's in the top. I don't know if you can see that. I'm hoping you can. And then your box of goodies is going to be at the bottom. So that's how it comes. I get the dirt off of here. See about getting the plant out. Now it said in my email that the plant has moss on it and a heating pad. So let's get the little box out first. It's right here. We'll look at it real quick and then we'll open up that one. I absolutely do love this box. So the moon is called the snow moon. How appropriate. Snow moon, unboxing the box for snow moon. But snow moon imparts wistful quality, imploring us to appreciate the quiet beauty of our surroundings. So the box, it comes with a card for the moon every month. Inside it looks like this. This little thing tell you all about everything in the box. So let's see what we got. So the first item is How to House Plant. It's a book. Talks about different kinds of plants. It's kind of neat. I like it. Well, I love books, so. But that's nice. Next item is a Jade Gousha therapy tool. It says it's a Chinese tool to increase lymphatic drainage, circulation, and collagen removal. To me, it just looks like a big gigantic jade stone. But using the flat surface of the stone, gently scrape it from the center of your face outward toward your temple. Oh, wow, it's really in here. Oh, there it is. Just a flat piece of jade. But it's really cold right now. That's neat. I can't wait to try that. I'll have to read a little bit more on how to do that. Although, ooh, it's so cold from outside. Let's see what else we got. Oh, an Incense Starter Kit. It says it is got 5 combs and 1 holder. Doesn't really, I guess reverse karma is the, it says each cone has got an hour of burn time. Let's see if I can get the actual cone holder. Or I have to dump out everything to get it. I like cones. I actually have a cone burner, but this is kind of neat. just a little holder, which is nice. And then 5 cones. The plant bottom. And let's see what the last item is. It says it's a Spartan gemstone, which looks like that. It's nice. I don't think I've gotten this. This looks like almost every rock that you find outside of your house. Not even gonna lie, but it's known as the dragon stone. So I'll read about it. Sure, it'll do something awesome. But with that out of the way, let's get back to the main prize, which is your and this month our plant is really packed in here. It says it is a dragon tree. Yeah, they sent me an email and they were like, oh yeah, we're going to ship this at the beginning of next week because due to cold weather, and then shortly after that it got super cold here. So that's my plant. And like I said, it's got the heating pads, which no longer are hot. And then it's got this moss that you're supposed to take off so that... Oh, and my moss went way down into the pot. So that keeps it moist during travel. But yeah. There we go. And that is it. So, that's kind of a neat plant, not gonna lie. But it does require a lot of sun, so I will have to put it by the window. Like I said, Lunarly is a monthly subscription, and it costs $40 a month. I do love it. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, comment, like it. I pay for my boxes. I do not get them for free. So, yeah. That is my Lunarly box. And I thank you for watching this video. And have a great day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.